Got some surface dust. It doesn't look too dirty, but you never know how dirty it is on the inside. I've had some coils where they weren't really dirty on the outside, but man, they were dirty on the inside. Panel in the shade. That way it doesn't burn my hands. I put it back on. All right. Yeah, this thing's pretty dusty. It's pretty dirty. So we'll definitely give this thing a good wash. We're gonna use this strong new bright chemical cleaner right here with a new Calgon coil gun. Open this up. This is a new jug. Be careful with this stuff. This stuff will make you itch. Fill it up to about there. We're probably not going to use all of it, but we could dump it back in. Alright. This back on. So. Alright, we'll grab some gloves. Again, you do not want to get this on your skin. Alright. First, we will rinse our coil. All right. So nasty, funky fins. There's no tube right there. All right, give this a good wash. Get all the surface stuff off. With my drill. That coil's pretty dusty. even looks a lot cleaner even without the chemical. So we'll throw the chemical on. We're going to be on setting E. Setting E is the most water to chemical ratio. And we'll just cover this whole entire coil. Make sure we get everywhere. There we go. Look at that. Look at all that coming out already. Thing is just eating it. Look at all that dirt. Let's save all this because we don't need to use all that. This stuff's pretty strong as is. We'll let that soak up for a second. Look at all that dirt. I haven't even rinsed it off yet. And it's just coming out muddy. On both sides too. And what we will do is wash it from the inside out as best as we can. See if you can see the amount of mud that comes out. Bottom gauge off right here. Completely clearing this coil. Something just water just can't do by itself. definitely clean now, without a doubt. Now let's get these panels back on. Now that's all on. We'll go ahead and turn on our system now and see how she runs. Go ahead and turn our disconnect on. Oh. Let's see our pressure. So now we clean coils, evap, and condenser are both completely clean. Now we just gotta wait our delay. So while we wait for that delay, grab myself a drink. And wash my hands. Drink as much of this right now and then throw it in the cooler. Stay nice and cold. There it is. Pull up measure quick. Condenser and coil are both kind of wet, so their pressures are going to be pretty low right now.